outsiders. Am I new but do? Why you were thinking I didn't have a clue? Tough to sort fire with your voice in my head. So then I bribed you downstairs with a Marlboro Red. And now I feel so small discovering you knew how much more torture would you have put me through. You probably saw me laughing at all your jokes, or how I did not mind when you stole all my smokes, yeah. And although my pride, yeah, it's not easy to disturb, yeah, you sent me flying when you kicked me to the curb with your better jeans, yeah, and your beastie tear, yeah. Now I can't work like this, no, no, with you next to me, yeah. And although he's nothing in the scheme of my years, it just served to bludgeon my futile tears. And I'm not used to this, no, no. I observe, yeah, I don't chase, but now I sit with consequences thrust in my face, yeah. And the melodramas of my day deliver blows, and that surpass your rejection. It just goes to show a simple attraction that reflects right back to me. So I'm not as into you as I appear to be, yeah. Although my pride, yeah, it's not easily disturbed, yeah. You sent me flying and you kicked me to the curb with your better jeans, yeah, and your beastie's teeth, yeah. Now I can't work like this, no, with you next to me, yeah. His message was brutal, but the delivery was kind. Maybe if I get this down, I'll get it off my mind, yeah. Oh, it serves to condition me and smoothen my kinks, yeah. Despite my frustration for the way that he thinks, and I knew the truth when it came would be to that effect. At least you're attracted to me, which I did not expect. Didn't think you get my number down as such, but I've never hated myself for my age so much, yeah. And although my pride, yeah, it's not easy to disturb, yeah. You sent me flying when you kicked me to the curb. So with your better jeans, yeah, and your beastie Her name is Terry. We just met, but already she knows me better than you. She understands me after 18 years, and you still don't see me like you are to do. Maybe we could talk about